students. This video is a longer version of what we did in class today. You can use this video to check your homework and to help you review for our Chapter 2 quiz. The first thing we did today in writing is we worked on writing our sight words from Chapter 2. Check page 17. Does yours look like this? We wrote down our sight words from our storytelling unit as well as the parts of the body. I would also like you to check page 13 in your workbook. We worked on this page last week and we also checked it today. You should draw a picture of yourself, label your body parts, and write about 3 different body parts and how many you have. Great job. I'm so glad that you're taking the time to check your work. The next piece that we worked on was our worksheet for review. The first part of our worksheet was about the letters. The vowels should be colored in blue. And remember, vowels are A, E, I, O, U. The consonants should be colored in green. And remember, the consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So your worksheet should look something like this. The next part of our worksheet asked you to fill in the vowels. Again, what are the vowels? That's right, A, E, I, O, U. We did the first 4 together in class, like, hair, shirt, and tall. The next 4 you should do on your own and then use this video to check your work. The bottom 4 words are look, point, raise hand, and hold hands. If you made a mistake, that's okay. Take the time now to fix any mistakes you made. Part 3 says to match the verb to a body part. Remember, verbs are things we can do. We did the first one together in class. You should do the last 3 on your own, then use this video to check your work. The nose. We use the nose to smell. So we drew a line from the nose to the word smell. Fingers. We use our fingers to point. So we will draw a line from fingers to point. Eyes. We use our eyes to look. So we will draw a line from eyes to look. Ears. We use our ears to listen. So we will draw a line from ears to listen. Check your work. Did you make any mistakes? If you did, take the time to fix your mistakes. We practiced this in class today. Now is a great chance to practice the ideas of true and false again. We will have a section on our quiz about true and false. You can play along at home, by yourself, with a friend, or even with your parents. If something is true, stand up. If something is false, sit down. Let's practice. This is a heart. If it's true, stand up. If that's false, sit down. Did you get it right? Good job. This is a circle. If it's true, stand up. If it's false, sit down. I know you got this one right. Great job. Remember, true and false. True is correct. False means wrong. Are you ready? Let's go. There are more ducks. Is this true or is this false? This is true. There are less bluebirds. True or false? This is false. There are more fish. True or false? True. There are more pigs. True or false? False. There are less fish. True or false? False. There are more pigs. True or false? True. There are less bluebirds. True or false? False. Now, back to our worksheet. Let's circle true or false. We did the first two together. The rest are yours to do on your own. Use this video to check your work. There are more balls. True or false? Let's see. There are 3 basketballs and 2 dolls. So there are more balls. True or false? The answer is true. 3 is more than 2. 2 sodas, 6 candies. There are more sodas. True or false? False. There are less sodas. 2 is less than 6. There are less rulers. True or false? 2 rulers, 4 sharpeners. It is true. 2 is less than 4. There are less clocks. True or false? 7 books, 2 clocks. This is true. 2 clocks is less than 7 books. There are more pencils. True or false? 1 eraser, 6 pencils. This is true. 6 is more than 1. There are less apples. True or false? 3 apples, 4 bananas. True. 3 is less than 4. Bigger and smaller. This is the last section on your review sheet. We did the first 2 together. The last are yours to do. Do your work first, then use this video to check your work. Let's get going. A car is bigger or smaller than a bus? Smaller. A car is smaller than a bus. An airplane is bigger or smaller than a truck? An airplane is bigger than a truck. A scooter is bigger or smaller than a bicycle. A scooter is bigger than a bicycle. A boat is bigger or smaller than a train. A boat is smaller than a train. Well done! By making it to the end of this video, that means that you have completed all of your work and you have taken the time to check your answers. Great job reviewing Chapter 2. You are going to be ready for our Chapter 2 quiz.